How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. So open up the app and come into the chat where you'd like to create your poll. And at the very bottom, in the message section, you want to press on the paperclip beside the camera. That'll open up this menu and you'll see poll is at the very bottom, the third one across. And that opens up the create poll. So you just type in your question and then put in the different options, so you can add as many as you like. And then once you're happy with it, in the bottom right you just press on the send button, and as you can see, that creates your poll. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.